All right, so as promised, the next stretch for the shoulder that we'll learn is one that's going to help stretch out your latissimus dorsi muscle, aka the lats. The latissimus dorsi muscle is the other muscle that is referred to as the blanket muscle of the back. The lat muscle, it connects at its highest point of the body in your upper arm bone on the bone that's known as the humerus. Then it crosses the posterior part of the shoulder joint, goes down and attaches and makes its first attachment at the bottom of your shoulder blade. Then it goes from there, it continues going down and attaches to the fascia of your lower back, known as the thoracolumbar aponeurosis. Then it also connects into the top of your hip, known as the iliac crest. The stretch I'm going to show you is a standing stretch for your latissimus dorsi muscle. Though it'll get other muscles like the QL. In order to stretch, we're going to have to stand next to a wall that we use for support. Now what we're going to do is we're going to stand a reasonable distance from that wall. If you notice, I touch it and the arm that's closer still bends. So that way you could reach over when you stretch with the other hand and get that stretch in. If you're having shoulder dysfunction or limitations, make sure you listen to this part because this stretch might not be for you. If you know why, then you've already seen a doctor, then follow the doctor or your physical therapist's orders or whoever you're working with. But if it's just a matter of needing massage therapy, whether it's sports massage or medical massage and you're in the New York City area, then schedule massage with me or the team at www.elitehealersmassagetherapy.com and book me myself or the team to get that massage therapy you need to get you moving well and feeling good again. Now, let's start the stretch by taking a stance that has your feet at hip width, soft stance, slightly flexed at the hips and the knees. Make sure, once again, you're a reasonable distance from that wall you're going to stretch. Then you'll take the arm on the side that you want to stretch and you're going to reach it over your head until you make a connection with that wall. Of course, you'll side bend. If you don't feel the stretch after you make contact, put your other hand for support and begin to walk your hand down the wall. That way, once you get to a point where you feel that end range of motion, you hold and you breathe. If you want more, you could also push your hips out away from the wall to increase that stretch. Hold and breathe 30 to 60 seconds, and then when you're done, you come out of it. Of course, you just turn around, you do the other side, but I'm not going to do that. You can just rewind it. I don't want to give you my back side. I want to give you this side of me. And once you're done, you'll have stretched a lot on both sides. Now, if you found that I gave you value in this content, make sure you give it a like. And if you're one of those people that hasn't subscribed by now, make sure you hit that subscribe button and click the bell notification so you can get an update on when all the videos come out.